Hi guys, nice to see you guys again. The last time na nakausap ko kayo lahat, I talked with everyone was the Waterbond Festival. I'm curious, ano yung frame of mind niyo coming into this project? Kasi I know it's busy, especially for the team. Ano yung frame of mind and how has it changed now that it's finally out? Are there new goals? Are there nabuksan ba yung mga possibilities? Ano yung mga nasa isip niyo compared to before working?
Thank you for that question, po, sir. Actually, siguro, let's wrap this part of journey we believe in Zayla, especially sa AQ Music, as a manifestation. Kasi if you remember, guys, Give Me the Music natin, supposedly, yung kinuha siya sa lineup natin, supposedly parang pambabae siya sa song natin. Dapat kay Zayla siya. Then RS was like saying, hindi, kaya niya itong gawin eh. Pwede itong believe in Zayla eh. Tsaka nakikita ko tayo na nai-envision ko siya na may play sa mga events, plays, clubs. So parang kami that time, hindi pa namin siya na-imagine eh. Kasi parang, napaka-raw pa po ng music. So that's when the time na inupuan namin siya. And nagulat na lang kami na everything was possible pa lang. Tapos ngayon, na-edit pa siya, nabigyan na ng concept. So parang, na-imagine namin ngayon na parang we're in a place na everything is possible pala when you are cooperating as one. So especially AQ Music, sobrang maraming adventures kami ngayon na ginagawa na magiging surprise din para sa lahat. So isa itong Give Me the Music as a teaser. Kasi this is the first ever collaboration ng mismong first artist ni AQ Music, which is Believe and Zayla.
Is it hard to, I can imagine, aside from being fun, it's also challenging to put not one, not two, but so many creative minds together. Like how do you manage all the creativity paano na gagawa into one product?
So dito po sa side na to, I think it's really best na magpasalamat talaga kay RS kasi he was the one who opened the door and the opportunity for everything to work out. So lahat from there, parang nagkaroon ng structure, tapos Believe, then Zayla, and also our bosses from making music. So I don't know, but it really went so smooth. Parang lahat ng ideas, lahat ng concept, lahat ng stories, lahat ng mga visuals, lahat siya sobrang smooth na come into place. So I think it really envelopes something na for the future ng mga mangyayari pa sa aming adventures.
Yeah, it's all collaboration.
Collaborative, yeah.
I'm curious, I'm glad you mentioned Sir RS. No? Of course, it's a young artist, but you can definitely see pulling influences from stuff before. Where were you pulling influences when you were coming up with ideas for this?
Well, actually, first and foremost, when I heard the music, when it was presented to us, to Attorney Aldwin, Attorney Honey, to me, when it was presented to me, they wanted a girl to sing it. And I don't know, for some reason, I was like, I could hear boys singing this. And see Attorney Aldwin was like who? Sabi ko, Believe to eh. This Believe. Tapos si Zayla nag-aarya. And then he was like, are you sure? I go, yeah, let's get sina Caleb, let's get sina Hazel Faye, let's get all yung mga suki namin, ng mga music writers. And let's collaborate. Sabi ko, let's talk to Prod Asia. Paano ba ito gagawin? Paano mapupull off natin itong office scene na boring, na magmumukhang ganito, drag? And how can music transform even the most boring situation into one big party? It's all about collaboration. Like, again, as I said, we collaborated with veteran actor Juan Confiado, who was actually our first choice. When it was presented to us the concept na may boss na magmamando sa kanila, right there and then off the bat, without even thinking, sabi ko, that's Juan Confiado. And then sabi nila, paano kung hindi siya pwede? Sabi ko, I don't know. Sabi ko, basta ang nakikita ko lang si Juan Confiado dito. Sabi ko, Mon or nothing. Sabi ko, teka, tatawag ako si Ricky Gallardo. So talagang, I pulled up all my friendship cards and I made sure to schedule ni Mon Confiado. He was busy, ha? At that time, he was promoting Quezon. He was promoting Quezon. So he was very busy that time. But then we, again, as I've said, we collaborated along with the look, with the schedule, with everything. And during the shoot, even si Sir Mon was very collaborative with yung look and feel niya, lahat, yung acting niya. He didn't go there as I'm award-winning Juan Confiado, and I know what to do. And no, he went there, he goes, RS, how do you want me to look like? How do you want me to do this? What's my relationship? Meron siyang ganun eh. Sinabi ko nga, Sir Juan, di naman ito pelikula. Napagano na ako kasi sa sobrang seryoso niya. Pero talagang, it turned out na talagang siya yung pivotal dun sa music. When he played the vinyl record, di ba, pinigay niya Ivan, doon na nagkagulo na, nagkaroon na ng glitches, nagkaroon ng multiverse, hanggang sa na-discover nila yung magical door na tawag ko nga sa shoot, Narnia. Nabuksan nila yung Narnia, tapos kulang na lang, may lion, tsaka may witch doon na nakita. So, as I told them, from now on, we will collaborate with the artists, with all artists na kilala natin. In fact, ayoko lang magkwento, ayoko mag-name names. Meron na ako nilulutong isa pang collaboration with a major artist for Billy. And it's gonna be one big kakasilang namin ng deal the other day kami na Atty. Aldwin with that artist. Kaya sinabi ko sa Billy, pag good boy kayo, ikwento ko sino yun. So, mamaya siguro, kukulitin nila ako para tanongin ko sino yun. Pero yun, so expect a lot from Billy and Zayla, expect a lot from AQ Music, and expect to hear Give Me the Music sa mga clubs, sa mga bars, kahit saan pwede, kahit kung pwede ko ipatugtog sa library yan, ipatugtogin ko na rin, kahit saan. So that's it. Thank you very much, everyone.
Thank you. Congratulations.
Grabe. Ang ganda talaga, RS. Isa pang gandang-ganda from Philippine Daily Inquirer, Hannah Maliorca.
Hi everyone! So, congratulations and it's nice to see you all again. So, na-explain na nga kanina that Sermon was sort of the boss in the company, yung concept, which is the concept. So, can you explain bakit yun yung naging concept ng music video?
You wanna share?
That's pretty impossible.
Bakit siya yung boss? Bakit may boss?
Well, yun nga po, yung sabi ni RS, si Sir Mon po talaga yung first choice po talaga. And sobrang deserve po ni Sir Mon yung character niya po dun sa Give Me the Music. Kasi parang mas nadalian po kaming ma-pull off yung mga dapat po namin ibigay for the MV. And yung story po kasi talaga ng MV is si Sir Mon po, well, Give Me the Music. From start po is medyo, parang bored, ganyan. Tapos, parang routine, parang paulit-ulit na po yung routine namin everyday. Tapos medyo boring siya. Tapos, biglang parang nakarinig kami ng music from out of nowhere. Coming from out of nowhere. Tapos yun, grabe. Enjoy kami. Enjoy.
I'll add that the reason why si Mon yung boss, I wanted kasi parang may disruptor. Kasi parang ang tingin ko sa Philip, they're disrupting the hip-hop scene. So si Mon Confiado, siya yung parang, di ba, in a routinary, monotonous, boring, rhythmic, desaturated life, na parang no vibrance and all. And then here comes somebody that disrupts, akala mo kung sino siya, na yung big boss na si Mon, only to find out na siya pala yung nag-pull ng plug, siya pala yung nag-play ng music, siya pala yung ano. So it's actually symbolizes how Believe and AQ Music along with Zayla disrupts the music industry.
So, thank you po for the explanation. So, I think one of the important things as artists is to have someone believe in you. And kita naman po kay RS na talagang you really believe in and Zayla. So, siguro can you describe ano pong meron sa Believe and kay Zayla, bakit you really believe in her?
Well, from the start naman kasi kami, Atty. Alvin, Atty. Hani, talagang from ground zero, nung binubuo pa lang namin ng Believe, wala pa nga pangalan. We thought of so many names and all that. And then kami tatlo, sila AQ and ako, we thought Believe is more, mas madalas na bibig, kahit balik-balik mo, Believe pa rin. And even if you tell the name, even if you speak about Believe sa isang French, or sa isang American, or sa isang get mo na kagad yung concept. So from right there, then review po namin siya, nakita namin yung flavor ng iba't ibang member nag-jive together. And doon ako, quote and unquote, nabilib sa kanila. Kaya sabi ko, okay, you have my commitment, you have my affection, you have my love, and kami nila, Attorney Alvin, Attorney Honey, we will make sure that you get to soar greater heights. So kaya kami lang nila attorneys, andito lang kami sa likod ng Bilib along with Zela para to be their wind beneath their wings. Ayaw ni Beth learn, ganyan.
Thank you so much for congratulations.
Thank you, Hannah Malura.
Thank you, Hannah.
Si Manay Ethel Ramos from Heaven, nag-text sa akin.
Oh, Eden.
Oo, may tanong. Bago tayo magpunta kay Neil Ramos ng Tempo at kay Josh Mercado ng ABS-CBN, itatanong ko po ang Bilib and then si Sela, at saka si Attorney Alvin at saka si RS. Sa mga artistang babae natin ngayon, kanino nyo gustong sabihin ang Give Me the Music at bakit?
Artista na.
Ano lang, break.
Locally.
Syempre si Sela lalaki at saka si Art.
Sa akin.
Lalaki din. Si Attorney Alvin, babaeng artista.
Ako gusto kong sabihin na Give Me the Music kay Angel Garjan. Oo. Parang Give Me the Music talaga.
Bakit?
Wala kasi hindi naman nag-star siya sa Encantadia. Sobrang nakita ko yung character niya, how she portrayed it. Sobrang na-build ako sa kanya. So parang doon pala, yun. Sa kanya ako bibigay yung music ko.
Gusto mo maging Sandre.
Lima?
Una pumasok po sa utak ko nung tinanong niyo po kanina is
Si Manay Ethel lang nagtanong.
Si Manay Ethel po. Ang una po pumasok sa utak ko is si Miss Jen Constantino po. Yun po. Parang yun po kasi yung parang nung bata ako yung tumutunog. Parang yun yung unang pumasok sa utak ko na kung sino yung hihingan ko ng music, si Miss Jen Constantino po.
Okay.
Ako naman po yung unang pumasok sa utak ko, si Flamara. si Faith. Kasi yung character niya po is parang lagi siyang ganyan. So kailangan niya ng music para sumaya siya. Para maging light naman yung mood niya pala.
Ako naman po, si Miss Regine Velasquez po. Yung ano. Yes. Hindi ko kasi po yun nga po yung pumasok po sa isip ko na parang what if po kantahin po siya ni Miss Reg po, ano po yung magiging atake niya po dun sa Give Me the Music. So parang feeling ko po papatok po talaga yun kapag po yung matataas po na notes po yung mga kinakanta po niya, yung version po ng Give Me the Music. So yun po.
Oy, mahal na mahal ni RS ang si Regina.
Super.
Sa akin naman si Sarah G. Parang gusto bigyan niyo yung music. Parang paano mangyayari pagka siya yung kumanta tapos kapag yung Sarah G. Sarah G. Sarah G din po kasi baka maybe this time Sarah G will give us some music. Sarah G po talaga.
Ako naman po, ang gusto ko pong sabihan na Give Me the Music ay si Lea Salonga po. Lea Salonga po kasi naisip ko lang kasi she's very, nasa mundo po siya ng theatrical stuff. And ayun.
Attorney Alvin, thank you my love.
I-share ko lang po. Aside from
Go.
naging coach ko po siya sa The Voice po dati. Si Coach Lea Salonga po.
Anong season ka na sa The Voice?
Season 2 po, The Voice.
Albog!
Nanoodin po natin ngayon sa...
Huwag na lang po panood. Joke lang po.
Attorney Alvin, maliban kay Attorney Honey at sa buong AU, kanina niyo po i-dedicate ang Give Me the Music.
Siguro wala akong maisip sa ngayon pero siguro sa lahat ng mga singer natin sa industry, at least mapalaganap natin yung music industry dito pa rin sa Pilipinas. If we get P-pop group, P-pop solo, yun, doon muna siguro.
As a whole.
At ang ating pagkaganda-gandang P-pop solo na si Zela, fabulous girl. How posh. Ang ganda niya.
For me po, can really think of any because ang pumapasok sa utak ko sa ibang basa. But, Gary B, sorry, Gary B po. Kasi, give me the music and give me the energy. Para bigyan niya ako ng energy din. Pag binigay yung music, pasahan lang po kami.
Nako, anything is possible. Baka
Yes.
kunos,
Ay,
baka
yes.
collab niyo si Sir Gary.
Ay!
Type mo si Sir Gary. Oh, okay lang. Happy ako.
Sarah G din po kasi sana, kaya lang lalaki.
Pinili na kasi si Sarah G.
Napili na si
R.S. Francisco, kanina mo sasabihin ang give me the music sa mga kabataang artista na singer ngayon? Or
Well, I don't know kung kailangan kabataan and all. Pero you know, of course, Sarah, Regine and all that. Pero I'm sure alam mo naman siguro ang sagutin ko.
yes, sabihin ka pa.
Ako si Madonna. I've always been a Madonna fan. Alam niyo ng lahat ng tao. I'm such a Madonna fan. In fact, again, one small trivia about the music video. That's great, inspired by Madonna's colors, Madonna's videos. Like if you notice, may kwento ko na rin sa inyo dahil binring ako na yung office scene na desaturated colors and almost bluish gray. That's from her music video, Frozen. Sa desert and all. That's where I got the colors. And dito naman sa party scene nung napuksan na yung Narnia, ang ano ko was Bitch I Madonna and Ray of Light. So medyo may mga Madonna influences pa rin ako, even yung mga overlays and glitches. Kasi very, ang barometer ko kasi, ang moral compass ko talagang artistic and creative compass ko is Madonna pa rin. When I'm kind of in doubt with whatever, I look up to my North Star, which is Madonna. And I'm always guided accordingly. So yun, for me to have the honor to say to Madonna, give me the music, will be such an honor. So, ayun, my answer would be the one and only, the Queen of Pop, Madonna.
Maraming salamat, Artist Francisco.